And welcome back to my channel. And I recently launched an AI automation agency a few months ago. I know I'm still a beginner to all of this, but here I am. I'm just trying to share my knowledge and everything. So today I'm just going to show you guys like how you can actually just upload your Botpress bot onto WordPress. So there's not actually a really plugin and everything for that. You just have to like do it manually and using another plugin. So let me just show you guys. So here's my Botpress account, and like I just got here the bot that I made for a dental clinic. So I've already like put in the custom CSS and everything. So I've just tweaked it a bit. So like I'm just going to go to like share, and in the share one, I'm just going to like select this, embed code. I'm just going to select this one, and like I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to just go to my WordPress main account. So then you can actually like go on to plugin and like add a new plugin, and like you can just install there's actually two or three. You can just install any plugin which will actually like allow you to download a snippet. So there's a one called WP code, so you can just search for it like that. And I think it's not, yeah, it's this one. So yeah, let me just write it. So like you can just get it, this one, and like you can just install it. I'm just using like another one which is called like custom CSS. I just wrote like custom CSS, and like I'm currently actually just using yeah, it's this one right here. So I'm just using this one, and like I'm just going to like it will appear right here. And so here's a twist, like you can actually see that this is in JS format. Okay, it's a script tag in JS format, but you don't have to like go onto here and like go onto custom JS. That would be a wrong one. You should like go to add custom HTML, and after going to the add custom HTML, you just have to like just select all this and like just paste it here. Okay, so then you can just I usually just choose after the body tag, so just choose this one, and then you just have to select the publish, and that's all that you actually have to do to upload it. So I've like already done it, and like you can see here I've already done it here. So yeah, you can see that. So let me just show you like how it will look in the actual site. So let me just move it here, and yeah, this is how it will appear on the actual site, and like this is how it will work and everything. So that's all for today and everything. So if you actually like my video and everything, just hit the subscribe button, and also if there's anything you'd like to say to me, or like you want me to do something, just leave it in the comments and everything. And that's all for today. Have a great